Good morning, afternoon, evening. My name is Kevin. I like to smoke meat, and today we are going to be smoking a rack of Frenched Berkshire pork. Super simple, super awesome. We're going to smoke it until an internal temperature of roughly 163 degrees Fahrenheit, and then just enjoy with some nice sides like potatoes, which I don't need to show you how to do because that is fairly straightforward. But all we're gonna do is season this thing up and lay it on the grill at 225 degrees Fahrenheit and just let it ride, okay? So we got some salt, and I said that was salt, but it was actually pepper. Now we have some salt, kosher salt. And then we got this Meat Church Honey Hog Barbecue because it is insanely good. And we're just gonna liberally coat this thing. And I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm actually gonna rub it in. What does it mean, Frenched? Well, you got your rack, right? And then you or they, wherever you get it, your butcher or yourself, clean up in between the bones here. That's all that means. So now just rub that rub in. And you know what? We're just gonna let it sit in the fridge for roughly 30 minutes. And then we're gonna lay this on the grill. It's already preheated, 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna let this thing ride until it reaches an internal temp of 163-ish. And then we're just gonna slice these into individual chops, and it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so check it out. See how that's absolutely, the spices have penetrated. I'm not sure if that's the right word, that's what I use, but it's completely transformed this. It's gonna be amazing. The flavor is right inside. We're gonna just lay this on the grill, like so. Yeah, we got some pulled pork going on there. Lots of pork going on here today. But yeah, stay tuned. Every once in a while, I'm spritzing with apple cider vinegar. That just cools it off a little bit. All right, I'm an idiot. So, as you can see here, we've eaten the whole dang thing, basically, except for that one piece. And a couple...
Look how good it looks.
It does look pretty dang good, and it worked out perfect. But we smoked it and pulled it at 163 to 165 Fahrenheit. And then when we brought it in, we let it rest for a bit, tented in foil, and I cut it up and served my family, and this is all that's left. And I totally forgot. So, yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video, even though I kind of botched the ending. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.